So now you're done editing a single photo, and you have a whole bunch of photos that you took within your photo shoot. So how can we shorten the time for editing process without having to go through each individual photo and make all the specific changes? And copy and paste was invented just for this. So there are a number of different ways to copy and paste your settings. So one way would be to come to the left corner of the screen here to copy. You select the different edits that you would like to take effect when you're copying, and then you pasting to another image. So if we select the crop and then we hit copy, we can come over to this unedited image, a different panorama with a slightly different angle. If we paste, we get a pretty nice looking image. Like obviously the sun had set a little bit further, so the sky was not as colorful, but we got an image that's pretty close to something that was usable, right? We might want to make some minor adjustments to the crop. Maybe I don't like the fence in this image, so let's just exclude that altogether like this. And now I have a shot of this, right? Obviously, we want me to make some small modifications. Maybe bring down, since this actually is a little later in the evening, let's actually darken it a little bit. Yeah, so I actually like this. So now you have a really quick edit on another photo, right? Just by taking, copy and pasting the settings. So let's say I really like the settings for this specific image, and I want to save them to use for the next time I go shoot in similar lighting conditions, sunset or something like that. So I can come over to here and make a preset. So a preset is not really anything but a name for what you have copied, basically from the settings of a specific image. So if I want to create a preset here, let's call this one the mountain sunset. And let's say I want to include all of these different settings, right? So you can be very selective if there's a specific thing you don't like, right? So for example, one thing that you might not like from this image is, right, like this, we should be more specific with the name. This is sunset with Astro modified camera, so that we don't accidentally apply this preset to an image with a standard imaging sensor with the normal filters on it, because the colors would really be screwed up. Really, the aspects of the photo would probably be messed up. The whole edit would not work. But let's say we care about all of these different things. Let's say, for example, we don't want to add the vignetting. Maybe we want to use that as a per image decision, right? Like by default, maybe it won't look good in some photos that might be unbalanced, where the main subject matter is on the right side or the left side of the image. So let's just exclude that. Then we can create this preset, and then we'll go down here. We can see there's our new preset called mountain sunset astro modified camera. So let's pick another image here, like this one, for example, or let's take something more interesting. There we go, the mountains. And we want to quickly edit that. We can come over to our preset, select the preset, and boom, look, we have a really pretty decent looking edit just with a single click. And you can use this across a single set of photos that you've taken, or across different shoots. So this is a really cool way to copy your settings between different images.